G'day flavour champions and welcome back to Cooking with Dael. Today I'm letting you in one of my best kitchen tricks, my ultimate crunchy topping, which I love to call kitchen confetti. It's the quick and easy way to add amazing flavour and texture to so many dishes. All you need for my version is some chopped macadamia nuts, pepitas, which are just pumpkin seeds without the shell, some coconut, flakes or shredded is fine, and some vibrant goji berries for a bit of chew and colour. The key is to toast everything separately because they all cook at different speeds. And what are we looking for? Pepitas will puff up a little, develop a slight golden toast and become very fragrant. Macadamias, toast them till they're golden and smell nutty. The coconut, now this one toasts super fast, so don't walk away. But an even golden colour is what we want. And finally, the goji berries. Just need a quick toast in a warm oven to plump them up a little. For more detailed toasting techniques, you can check out my previous videos on toasting nuts and seeds. Once everything is toasted, and this is important, completely cool, you're ready to mix. Simply combine your toasted macadamias, pepitas, coconut, and goji berries in a bowl. Give it a good toss, and that's it. Your very own kitchen confetti, ready to go. And here's why I love it. Sprinkle it on your morning smoothie bowl for crunch, over yogurt and fruit, on top of a salad instead of croutons. It's even amazing on soups and curries. It adds that restaurant quality finishing touch. This is my favorite combo, but the possibilities are endless. So tell me in the comments, what would you add to your mix to make it special? Let me know. This is a true delicious staple for any kitchen. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.